In this video, you'll discover how to experience Iceland like a local in 2024, with insider tips and tricks that will enhance your visit to this stunning country. Many travelers stick to the typical tourist spots, missing out on the true essence of Iceland. But there's so much more to this country than just these popular attractions. Icelanders are known for their love of nature, and it's easy to see why. With its rugged landscapes, majestic waterfalls, and ethereal northern lights, Iceland is a nature lover's paradise. But instead of just visiting the most popular national parks, consider exploring some of the lesser-known gems, like Diamond Beach, where glacier ice washes up on black sand shores, or the scenic coastal town of Vik, with its stunning rock formations and charming cafes. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is not taking the time to soak up the local culture. They rush from one attraction to the next, without stopping to appreciate the quirky charm of Reykjavik's colorful streets, or the warm hospitality of the Icelandic people. From traditional Icelandic cuisine, like fermented shark and boiled sheep's head, to the thriving Reykjavik music scene, there's so much to discover beyond the tourist brochures. We'll explore local hotspots, like the vibrant Reykjavik nightlife, where you can dance the night away with the locals, or the geothermal pools, where you can soak away your worries in warm, mineral-rich waters. We'll delve into the world of Icelandic cuisine, with its emphasis on fresh seafood, lamb, and skyr, a type of yogurt that's a staple in every Icelandic household, and will uncover the country's rich cultural heritage, from its Viking roots to its modern-day festivals. You might be surprised to learn that Iceland is home to some of the most unique and quirky festivals in the world, from the Reykjavik Arts Festival, which celebrates the city's vibrant cultural scene, to the Viking Festival, where you can experience the country's rich history firsthand. There's always something going on in Iceland. And of course, we can't forget about the food from traditional Icelandic delicacies, like hakarl, which is fermented shark, to modern fusion cuisine, which blends traditional ingredients with international flavors. One of the highlights of my trip to Iceland was visiting the tiny fishing village of Hof, where I got to try some of the freshest seafood of my life, and learn about the local fishing traditions. And let's not forget about the stunning natural beauty of the surrounding landscapes, with their towering glaciers and picturesque fjords. The highlight of our trip will be a special local experience that you won't want to miss: a visit to a traditional Icelandic farm, where you can see puffins up close and learn about the country's rich agricultural heritage. This is an experience that will truly make your trip to Iceland unforgettable, as you get to see the country through the eyes of the locals.